This is our bow, and I have received many comments regarding the shape of the bow. And yes, it's not fundamentally correct, but what isn't apparent is there is a whole keel section that has to be built over the top of this, and the majority of this section of framework will be cut out. It's primarily just in the front half of the bow, purely to give this upper shear line, I think it is, this section here is just to give it more rigidity because it's completely off the ground. And if I didn't have that piece, support piece up the top there, then the whole lot would move up and down and I'd lose primarily the shape that I'm trying to chase. Once it's done, you're going to see that it's going to look more very similar to what we're trying to portray here of the Titanic's hull. So that's all good. We've chopped out that section now. Now I can start bringing in the stern. No, now I can bring in the bow section and place that and offer that up and see how that fits. Very exciting stuff. Not really happy with the work I've done up the front, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more bracing in this bow section, and I want to cut this piece here out and rectify the mistake that has been made. I feel and I know in my heart that this is not looking correct, and I want to try and get it to aesthetically look as good as what the original boat was, and I need to make a cut here and try and move some bits and pieces around. So bear with me, and that's what I'm about to do. have a solution and I'm really happy with it, and I'm going to show you in a minute. But before I do, I just wanted to thank all you good people out there that have left positive comments down and given me the thumbs up. It's been quite overwhelming reading all the comments. I do try to respond to each and every one of you, and if I've missed, then I apologise, but it's been quite overwhelming. And yeah, in all honesty, I didn't expect to get this sort of response, and I'd like to say thank you for that. But now let's have a look at the bow. This is what I've been waiting to show everyone. Okay, I'm really happy now. This curve here was down there and it didn't correspond to the rest of the hull. As you know, this keel section was built separately to the rest of it, and somewhere along the lines I've gone off my drawings and I've made a mistake, which is completely on me, and I accept that. And it was a lot of work, but it's really hard for me to show the actual lines of the hull. The camera is not picking it up as ideally as I'd like, but I'm telling you now, I am so happy with the way it looks. I'm not going to change it. That's it. It's staying as is. So if you guys have any faults that you see, you'll just have to live with it like me. So maybe this gives a bit better angle, but we have this, I don't know, if you ever look at the bottom of the hull of the Titanic, it has a hump right at the bottom, and it's sort of, there's a slope up to the bottom of the stem, which we've created here. My understanding is this was designed for trying to smooth out the larger waves in these ocean going vessels. So prototypically that's what I've tried to create. Many people also asked about the front of the boat, in the sense that the sides of the hulls weren't straight up and down, and as I said, it wasn't apparent. But now that we've got some more supports in there, you can see, hang on, I'll tilt the camera up, you can see that there is definitely curvature there between the top of the hull to the side. And I'm not talking up around this section here, I'm talking obviously this section here. So you can see it a little bit more when I go in the middle, but I'm really happy, and from a front view it is perfect. Now you must understand that the original hull was not built from square tube, so I've had to make compromises and just get the rough shape. There has to be compromises throughout the whole hull because a lot of things won't scale down, and that's including the boiler. And for all you guys out there who are counting rivets, there will be 3 million rivets that you're not going to find on this one. Not at the moment anyway. So I'm going to get another photo and I'm going to come in from the front so you guys get a better look. Here we go. Look, in all honesty, we're going to see it a lot better when we turn the hull up the other way, and we can then turn around and basically get a look at it out in the open. As it is now, I can't even get the full length of what I'm trying to portray. So, but we've done a lot of work. This has taken me many days to try and sort out. And the stern section, that's obviously going to have to wait till the next video because I'm running out of time. And yeah, structurally it is extremely strong. It has supported my weight. As far as the hull's concerned, at the start of the video I was able to pick it up and put it where it is now. Now I can't. So it's got a substantial amount of weight, which we're going to have to now build a cradle and put some wheels on that cradle so we can transport it around, because this is our main the main garage, and as you can see I'm very tight for space. So I'm really excited. There's some sort of, I don't know, there's a sense of pride when you turn around and create something from nothing. And, you know, any of you guys out there that sort of have been hesitating building something, I suggest you get out there and enjoy yourselves and build it. Fundamentally, it doesn't have to be 100% correct. As long as you're getting some sort of inspiration and enjoyment out of it, I suggest you just go out there and build it. But for me, this is as far as I've got so far. We're going to get onto the stern. That's going to be our next episode. If this is something that you would like, then by all means subscribe. I'd love to have everyone on board who is as enthusiastic as the rest of you are. Till next time, this is me, Anthony, saying goodbye. See ya.